This is the full video tutorial on how to make my steak sandwich with caramelized onions, arugula, provolone, and a jalapeno crema. Picture it.
Cilantro. 11. Sage. 29. Jalapeno peppers. To the bag. 33.
For the bread, I recommend using my focaccia recipe, which you can see a link to in the top left corner right here. If not, I'd recommend using a baguette. Cut the bread in half and then put on a tray and set aside. New York strip, 2 yellow onions, cilantro, 4 cloves of garlic, jalapeno, rosemary, sour cream, honey, lime juice, provolone, arugula, with 3133 or 4032 if you're using 2 steaks. Take both steaks out of their packages and then pat them down with a paper towel. Season lightly with salt on both sides of the steak, and you're going to let this set in your fridge while you make your crema and caramelized onions. Get your knife and 1.5 onions. Listen to this ASMR and peel your onions. Cut all of your onions into nice thin strips. Add oil to your pan and heat up on medium-low. Retrieve your onions and bring them over to the pan. When you add them in, they should sound nice and sizzly like this. Make sure to stir them on medium to low heat, and after 15 minutes, add in 2 teaspoons of salt. This process will take a little bit of time, so I recommend doing this while you're making your crema and your other components of this dish. Once they're a nice, soft, sweet golden brown, take them out and set aside. Start off by cutting and peeling another onion. Here you're only going to use 1/4 of this onion though. Roughly chop the onion and then add it into your food processor. Add 2 cloves of garlic as well as 1 full jalapeno. Add a tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, 2/3 of a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of torn cilantro, and just a little bit of salt. Blend it until smooth, and then set aside for later. Have ready 2 pieces of crushed garlic, rosemary, and butter. Grab your steaks, and then pat dry once more. Season them now with a little bit of black pepper, as well as a little bit of garlic powder on both sides. Heat your pan up and then add grapeseed oil. Heat that up and then add your steaks fat side down. Once the fat side is brown like this, you're ready to flip your steaks onto their sides. Flip them when they're nice and golden brown like this. Once the other side is also golden brown, cut the heat off. Into your pan, add your rosemary, garlic, and butter, and let melt. Baste your steaks for another minute or 2, and set them aside to rest. Your roommate should look excited just like this. Brown your bread in an oven that's on broil. Cut your steak into nice, thin strips. To your bread, add your crema and spread across all of your pieces. Then add your arugula, followed by your steak, your caramelized onions, and then your provolone. Broil it once more in the oven until that provolone has that nice melted golden brown color. Put your sandwiches together. Plate them, and then cut. And then admire and enjoy that masterpiece that you just created.